In the evolving landscape of work, the concept of remote has moved from a niche idea to a mainstream reality. More and more companies are embracing distributed teams, allowing employees the flexibility to work from anywhere. This shift has brought into focus tools specifically designed for remote collaboration, and among the most well-known is Basecamp. So, for those curious about the company behind this popular project management tool, a key question arises. Is Basecamp fully remote? The definitive answer is a resounding yes. Basecamp has been a pioneering advocate and practitioner of remote work for well over a decade. They are not just a company that makes software for remote teams. They are a remote team. This deep-seated commitment to a distributed workforce isn't a recent adaptation for them. It's a fundamental part of their company culture, operational strategy, and even their product development philosophy. Basecamp's journey into remote work began long before the recent global shifts necessitated it for many organizations. They recognized early on the benefits of tapping into a global talent pool, avoiding the constraints of a single physical office, and empowering employees with greater autonomy and work-life balance. This wasn't merely a pragmatic decision. It was a philosophical one, championed by their co-founders, Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen. Their writings, particularly books like Remote, Office Not Required, have become foundational texts for companies considering or implementing remote work models. What does it mean for Basecamp to be fully remote? It means that there is no central office where all employees are expected to gather daily. Their team members are spread across various time zones and geographical locations around the world. This distributed structure allows them to hire the best talent, regardless of where they live. It also means their internal communication, collaboration, and project management practices are designed specifically for a remote environment. This commitment to remote work is deeply embedded in Basecamp's operational DNA. Their product, Basecamp itself, is a testament to this. It's built with asynchronous communication in mind, emphasizing written communication, clear task assignments, and structured discussions rather than constant real-time meetings. This asynchronous approach is crucial for remote teams, especially those spanning multiple time zones, as it allows individuals to contribute at their own pace without being tied to a rigid schedule dictated by others' availability. One might wonder about the challenges of being fully remote. How do they foster team cohesion? How do they handle onboarding? Basecamp has developed specific strategies to address these. While they don't have a daily office presence, they do organize regular company-wide meetups or retreats a few times a year. These events serve as opportunities for team members to connect in person, build relationships, and reinforce company culture. These gatherings are not about doing daily work, but about strengthening the human connection that is vital for any successful team. Their hiring process also reflects their remote-first approach. They look for individuals who are self-starters, excellent communicators, especially in writing, and comfortable working independently. Onboarding new remote employees involves a structured process that leverages their own software to ensure a smooth transition and integration into the team. From a project management expert's perspective, Basecamp's fully remote model offers several valuable lessons and insights. Emphasis on asynchronous communication. Their reliance on their own tool for structured discussions, shared documents, and task updates underscores the importance of asynchronous communication for remote teams. This reduces the need for constant, disruptive meetings and allows individuals to focus on deep work. This is a fundamental shift from traditional office environments where immediate responses and frequent interruptions are common. Basecamp champions the idea that important decisions and discussions should be given time to unfold, not rushed into quick, real-time judgments. Trust and autonomy. A successful remote model is built on trust. Basecamp trusts its employees to manage their time and deliver results, providing them with the autonomy to work in a way that suits them best. This fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility. This trust extends to allowing employees to manage their own schedules and work from locations that optimize their productivity and well-being. Clear expectations and documentation. When you don't have the luxury of casual hallway conversations, clear documentation of tasks, decisions, and project progress becomes paramount. Basecamp's own features like to-dos, message boards, and docs and files reflect this need. This meticulous documentation serves not only for current team members, but also creates a valuable historical record for future employees, reducing the need for constant repetition and re-explanation. Intentional culture building. Being remote doesn't mean sacrificing culture. Basecamp demonstrates that intentional efforts, such as regular meetups and a focus on shared values, can build a strong and cohesive team even across distances. Their culture emphasizes calmness, ethical practices, and a sustainable work-life balance, moving away from the crazy-at-work mentality often found in tech. Product-led development. The fact that they use their own product to manage their fully remote company provides a powerful feedback loop. They are their own first customers, constantly refining Basecamp to meet the real-world needs of distributed teams. This direct experience ensures their software remains highly relevant and effective for remote collaboration.